It seems that at almost every confrontation, we see Grievous cough at least once. But why does he cough so much? Today we are going to be visiting that. So we are going to start off by saying, although he is a cyborg, under all that machinery, he still has his internal organs intact. For those who have not seen my Grievous cyborg video, he was originally an alien reptilian Kalish male from the planet of Kali, until he became the center of an experiment at the hands of Palpatine. In the original Clone Wars 2D show from the 2003, George Lucas had contacted the animation studio and told them that Grievous had a cough in Episode 3, and they need a reason for it. With launch being so close, the team met up and stressed over what they would do with the deadline being so close. Eventually, they came up with something. In Episode 3, Mace Windu would use the Force and crush the metal ribcage surrounding Grievous's lungs, and it would leave him with a chronic asthmatic smoker cough. Actually, if you guys want a fun fact, to make the coughing sound, George Lucas coughed into the mic when he had bronchitis, and Lucasfilm made it sound like a cyborg noise. But anyways, I will now roll the clip of Grievous getting his cough at the hands of Mace Windu. So guys, there you have it. This is how Grievous got his cough. Tell me what you guys think down below, and let me know what you guys want to see next. Did you like this video, and did you like my narration? With all that out of the way, be sure to like and subscribe, as it really helps my channel grow a lot. And other than that, have a great day, everybody. May the Force be with you all.